Good morning, students. Today's topic is menu and menu bar in Java. In this, we'll learn how to create a menu bar and how to add different menus on a menu bar and add different menu items in menu. Now, you will be very confused what menu is, what menu bar is, and what menu item is. I'll be clearing all the things here. First of all, I'm sure you have encountered menu bar somewhere or the other where. Now consider this simple text editor. This is a notepad. Here also you can find a menu bar which is exactly below the title bar. Now the title bar is the top thing in any window. So you can see a menu demo which is nothing but the title bar. Exactly below the title bar is a menu bar. Here you can see this menu bar is holding different menus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 menus are there. Now when you click on any menu, a list of menu items are visible. See this. These are nothing but the menu items. This is a menu bar. These are menus. And when we click on any menu, a list of menu items will appear. Now you can see a small fine line between different menu items. Like this is creating a sections, different sections. You can see this gray line. This is nothing but a separator which is used to create sections within a menu. So we'll learn in this program how to create a separator. Also you can see a shortcut key assigned with each menu item. Control Z for undo, Control X for cut. Same way, when we write a program, we can also assign a shortcut key to any of the menu items. The other thing which you can find under a view menu is, the view menu has two menu items, zoom and status bar. These are something different other than what we have seen. Like when you click on the zoom, you find another list of menu items. So what it is actually, we are creating a hierarchy of menu. Inside a menu, we have a zoom menu. So zoom is the sub menu of view. So you can see it like view menu has a sub menu zoom, and zoom sub menu has different menu items, zoom in, zoom out, restore. So this is a new type of thing which you can create in Java. And second, go to the next menu item which is nothing but the status bar. You can find a tick in front of this menu item. So this is a checkbox menu item. You can find it at various places. So when you click on this menu item, checkbox will appear. And when you again go back and click again, checkbox will disappear. So we can learn how to create checkbox menu item. So let's quickly go to the output. I'll show you one output and we'll see and discuss how to write the program to get that output. Can you see your output here? Yes, this is a window. This is nothing but a frame. This frame has a title as a menu example, and exactly below the title bar is the menu bar. This gray, dull gray border is nothing but a menu bar. And in this menu bar, there is only one menu with the name first menu. When I click on this menu, list of menu items appeared. Menu item 1, menu item 2, menu item 3, and there is an exit. Now this program has all the combinations which we have seen. It has a menu item, it has a separator, it has a sub menu, it has a shortcut. See here, this is the sub menu. When you click on menu item 3, a different list of menu items will come up. And with exit, there is a shortcut key assigned. So now we'll learn how to create this program. What are the statements, what are the classes which will be required to write this program. Okay. So as this is a frame, to create a frame, we need a AWT package. So the first statement is import java.awt.star. And to assign a shortcut key, we need an event package. So this is the second package which we are importing. Now this is the main class which will hold everything required to create this output. And within the constructor, we'll start writing the code. So the things which we'll need in this program are frame, menu bar, menu, and menu items. First, I want to clear you one thing. This output requires one frame. So we'll create one frame object. Then it has only one menu bar. So we'll create one object of menu bar class. Again, this menu bar has only one menu, which is first menu. So we'll create only one menu object. Within this menu, we have different menu items. So we'll create an object for each menu item. And this is nothing but a sub menu. So we'll create another menu which will be added inside this menu. So let's go line by line. Look at this first line, frame f equal to new frame. We'll assign the title. Then we'll create a menu bar, object of menu bar class MB. Then we created one menu M1 with the name first menu as it is mentioned here. Then I have created an object of menu shortcut. This will be used when we'll be creating a menu item exit. Till the point it is just an object. Then we want two menu items, menu item 1 and 2. So I have created menu item I1, I2 with the details here. Then there is a sub menu. Sub menu again is a menu. So I have to create an object of menu with the name sub menu. New menu menu item 3. So menu item 3 is visible here. Now within this sub menu, I have to add two menu items. One is checkable, other is the ordinary. So look at this, checkbox menu item SI1, sub menu item 1. Then I have created an ordinary menu item, sub menu item 2 with this line. Now I have created the sub menu items 1 and 2. Now I have to add them to the sub menu. So these are the statements. Sub menu dot add SI1, sub menu dot add SI2. So it will add, what these lines will do, will add these two sub menus to this main menu. Now I have to add a third menu item which is exit. So menu item I3 exit. I have to assign a shortcut key of Control X with this exit. See this Control X. So to get this Control X, this is the required line. Now what you have to do, you have to use the object which I have created earlier for shortcut menu. So S equal to new menu shortcut, and in bracket you will write the name of the key which you want as a shortcut key. Sometimes you want Control X, sometimes you want Control C. So likewise you have to choose. Here I have chosen Control X. So to write Control X, the proper format is to write key event dot. In capital you have to write VK underscore then a key name. The key name here is X. So in capital letters you have to write VK underscore X. And if you want to set as Control C, so you will write key event dot VK underscore C. So this will add a shortcut key. Now this shortcut key has to be added to some menu item. So for that I3 dot set shortcut S. So what you have done, first you have created a shortcut. Then you have added that shortcut to this exit menu item. So with this we have created all the menus, menu items, shortcuts which we want. But we haven't added anything to the frame yet. So we'll start adding. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, we have to add the different menu items to menu. So M1 dot add I1. This we have done. So this line will add this menu item 1. Then after menu item 1, we don't need menu item 2 directly. But what we want a section, a separator. You can see this dull gray line. To add this line, we have to write M1 dot add separator. So with this, a small dull horizontal gray line will appear like this. Now after adding the separator, I want to add menu item 2. So I have written M1 dot add I2. Then after this, I want this submenu. So this submenu has to be added. So I have written M1 dot add submenu. Then at the end I want to add this exit. The name of exit item is I3. So I've written m1.add I3. Then finally, and the important part is, you have created this entire structure, but now you have to add this menu to the menu bar. So you have written mb.add m1. Now this menu bar has to be set on the frame. So you have to write f.set menu bar in bracket mb. Now last 3 lines are regarding the frame properties. You have to set the size of the frame, 400 by 400 pixels. Layout is null, means a default layout. And visibility of the frame you have to set it true. If you don't set it true, you cannot see the output. So f.set visible true. Now quickly I'll show you how to compile this program and how to run it. So in the command prompt, I have to write javac the class name .java. So the class name is menudemo.java. Enter. It will compile, and if there will be any errors, they will be displayed. As it has returned back with no errors, so it is ready for execution. Now to execute a simple Java program, this is not an applet, this is a normal Java program. So I have to use a command java and then menu demo, the class name, and press enter. So here comes the output. टाइटल है मेन्यू एग्जाम्पल. मेन्यू बार में मेन्यू आइटम है फर्स्ट मेन्यू आइटम 2, 3 सब मेन्यू. चेकेबल है, yes it is checkable, and shortcut key है, there is a separator also. So with this, in this topic we have learned how to create menu items and a shortcut key. Also we have learned how to create a sub menus and add a separator. So I'll conclude this menu topic over here. I request you all to perform the same program at your end and show me the output.